trees in a whole system work as guilds, as a cooperative family, translating, storing, manufacturing, interacting, messaging, and trading. Cooperative with a soil community. Energy and gases enter and leave in a change form. Each branch can be an individual. Birds act as messengers, distributing seed and nutrients. Insects manufacture sugars which are dropped to the roots. Same species and other species respond to chemical messages. Mycorrhizae fungi trade nutrients between roots. Legumes and other species fix and supply nutrients. Each root can be an individual. Animals interact and act as messengers, distributing nutrients. The tree controls the health and breeding cycle of browsers, and complex molecules are continually being created from inorganic and organic elements, transforming and translating gases, liquids, and solids.